This professional obtained a keyboard from Windows 95. He made the decision to restore it to its original flawless condition. Write in the comments whether he succeeded or not. This restoration took a lot of time, as he had to completely disassemble the keyboard, use various tools to remove layers of years-old dust and dirt. Due to the sunlight and time, the keyboard had yellowed significantly, and this also needed to be corrected by the master. It took a whole 6 days for this. After the treatment, we see the master's work result. Do you think it was worth it?